This is a temperature sensor made by Victron, and it is for the Cerbo GX. So at this point we have messed up a couple things. We know that on the Cerbo GX you can't just plug in any temperature sensor you buy online directly to it and expect it to work. So we found that out, trial and error. And you can't just buy a Victron temperature probe and plug it in and expect that to work. You have to buy the specific one for the Cerbo GX if you're going to go into one of the 4 terminal blocks for temperature sensors. So this one's going to go on the roof for the exterior of the van. And if you need the other type of Victron temperature sensor, well, I just so happen to have one I'm not using. So just message me in the comments if you want it, and I can mail it to you, and we'll keep this thing out of a landfill. Okay, let's get started. All right, let's disconnect the lines coming in. All right, we're working. There's our temperature input number 2. Value is 61 on outside air temp. Electrical box is at 61. Everything's good here. All right, I'm going to show you how to do the configuration for a temperature probe on the physical hardware screen that's connected to the Cerbo GX and to the remote console, where we can just see it a lot better. So in the remote console, we are going to go to I/O and then our analog inputs and make sure that our temperature input toggle is set to on. So we have done that. And after that, back into our settings. So everything starts with that gear icon in settings. We can scroll down to our device list and search for our device. So in this case, it's the air temp sensor. The type is outdoor. You can choose from all those types. The offset is 0 and the scale is 1.0, and then our voltage is 2.29. So all that looks like it should. Here we can see our connection, temperature input number 2, and then our name, which is outside air temp. So all that is what we want it to look like. If we go back out and we click on our levels icon environment, we can see the outside air temp, and then we can see that scale 140 to 40. So having the outside device type is going to give us that scale. Okay, back in the physical hardware, we'll kind of go through the same thing. Settings, I/O devices, temperature input number 2. We'll just toggle that on and off for fun to show the workflow. Then in the device list, we will scroll down, see our outside air temp. Status is okay, temperature 61F, setup, the type is outdoor, everything's the same, and then our device, outside air temp. If you click into the name there, you can choose the name, and that's how you type the custom name in. Okay, back to our overview. We can click on our levels, and that's it. That's how you do this. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.